Welcome back, you guys. So today we're at the Westin Riverfront Resort and Spa in Vail, Colorado. This is the 1-bedroom residential suite. Has so much size to it. Over here to the left, you actually have a full kitchen. So as if you were at an apartment or something like that. It's a nice sized kitchen. Really big fridge and freezer. A lot of cabinetry space up here. And up here, you're fully stocked with your cups, ice buckets, wine glasses, bowls, dishes to store things. You have your microwave. You have your stove over here. You have all your utensils and everything you need all over here. I'm wasting time by doing that. You have a dishwasher here. Over here in this closet, you have a really nice washer and dryer, which is always nice to have, especially when you're in places that have snow, because you never know when your clothes are gonna get wet, when you need to get them dry, get them clean. So yeah, that's always a plus. Over here, you have a really spacious living room. You have your dining room table right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easily seats 7. Really big couch. Your couch can fit a big family over here. 2 chairs over here. You have your TV right here. And under, you have a nice fireplace. As you go look out the window, this is one of the most beautiful things about this room is the view. The view is amazing. Let's go out here. So over here, you also have your balcony. So you can sit here, have your morning coffee, or just chill. Look over the balcony and look at this amazing view, guys. You're overlooking the mountains, ski resorts, little town. When you walk in this way, we'll bring you back this way and take you to the bedroom. So again, this is the 1-bedroom suite. Over here, you have a really nice sized bedroom. You have a king size bed right there. You have your nightstands over there with the Bluetooth radio. And again, from the master bedroom, you're able to see the view. That's where your balcony is, so it's the same view. Over here, you have your desk area for if you need to do work. You have a nice size flat screen TV right here. Dresser drawers under there to put some stuff. And you have really nice closet space in here. Look at these closets, guys. Over here, you have 1 closet. You have your safe up there. Ironing board, laundry bags. Over here, you have your robes. Looks like a humidifier up there. You have your mirror in case you want to see how you look after you get dressed full body. And then over here, you have the master bathroom, which is really nice. You have the lighted mirror, his and her sinks. Really nice sized walk-in shower with the bench over here. And then behind this door, you have more cabinetry space in here. Oh, that's locked, guys. That must be like owner's stuff, but you have your towels and stuff over there. Everything under there, dresser space. And yeah, again, we're in Vail, Colorado at the Westin Riverfront Resort and Spa in Vail, Colorado. And yeah, it's a nice place to bring your wife, your kids, your family, and just come hang out. They have everything in this little town right here, and it's a really breathtaking view. So nice out here, you guys. All right, hope you enjoyed it. See you at the next one.